Here we have it guys, the 2019 facelifted Proton Saga, the latest Proton family member to be updated with the latest family look and features. And here are things you need to know about the facelifted Saga. Key visual differences include the infinite weave front grille, new bumpers, integrated rear spoiler, the Proton inscription across the trunk, as well as a new rear bumper. On this range-topping 1.3 premium variant, you also get LED daytime running lights as well as 15-inch alloys. Under the hood is a 1.3-litre naturally aspirated VVT engine making 95 horsepower and 120 Nm of torque. On the automatic variants of the Saga, it now gets a 4-speed torque converter instead of a CVT. There is also a 5-speed manual option for the entry-level standard variant. The changes in here are even more apparent. As standard, you get a new instrument cluster with LCD display, as well as a new upholstery for the seats. On the more expensive premium variants, you get a floating 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, 2 USB charging ports, as well as LED map lights. Safety-wise, Proton has included dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, as well as brake assist across all variants. On the more expensive premium variant, you also get ESC with hill start assist. There are 3 variants of the facelifted Saga available, starting from the 1.3 standard manual priced at $32,800, the 1.3 standard automatic priced at $35,800, while the 1.3 premium priced at $39,800. Every purchase also comes with a 5 years or 150,000 kilometers warranty. For more information on the 2019 facelifted Saga, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.